Hello class 8 students. So this video is specifically meant to clear the doubts that you all have regarding the question and answers of lesson 2. Right. So let me clear it out first. Would you kindly go to the page where you have the question and answers for lesson number 2. The first one is something like this. Tick the correct options to complete these sentences. Number 1, microorganisms that can photosynthesize are bacteria, blue-green algae, and phytoplanktons. Number 2, chlamydomonas move with the help of flagella. Okay, milk turns into curd because of the action of bacteria called lactobacilli. Polio, chickenpox, and AIDS are caused by different virus. Next, malaria is caused by a protozoa. The polio vaccine was developed by Jonas Salk. Polio vaccine is made using poliovirus. The technique to preserve milk is known as pasteurization. Next, we will go with the match the following. Mushroom. What is mushroom here? Check it out. Mushroom is a kind of fungi. Next, Entamoeba histolytica. What is Entamoeba histolytica? Is a kind of protozoa. Rabies caused by virus. Phytoplankton kind of algae, and rhizobium is a kind of bacteria. Next we will go to answer number 3. Please check it. Answer number 3, answer number 1 is bacteria, number 2 photosynthetic bacteria, number 3 algae, 4 protozoa, 5 fungi. Alright, now answer the following in one sentence. Question number 4. What are microorganisms? Living organisms that are too small to be seen by naked or unaided human eye are known as microorganisms. Question number 2. What is an unicellular organism? Any organism made up of only one cell is known as unicellular organism. Let us move to the third question. What is the third question? Name 3 type of microorganisms. Answer is number 3. You can check here: bacteria, fungi, and protozoa. What is answer number 4? Name the first living thing on earth. Answer is blue-green algae. Question 5. What are chemosynthetic bacteria? Bacteria which obtain energy from chemical reaction of inorganic substances are chemosynthetic bacteria. Next, what are phytoplanktons? Unicellular algae found in water that float like microorganisms are called phytoplanktons. Next, what are protozoa? The unicellular organisms that are found in stagnant ponds, water bodies that are untidy, or in animal faces that requires moisture to survive are protozoa. Example, Paramecium amoeba. Next, answer number 8. Name a disease caused by protozoa. Answer is malaria. Answer number 9. What are antibodies? A specialized immune protein produced by our bodies to destroy substances which carry disease are known as antibodies. Answer number 10. Who discovered the process of pasteurization? Answer, Sir Louis Pasteur discovered pasteurization. Now we will go to question number 4. So question number 4 are these questions. Alright. Answer the following in 2 sentences. First one, please check it out. The first one is something like this. Differentiate between aerobic and anaerobic bacteria. So bacteria that requires oxygen for respiration are known as aerobic bacteria. Bacteria that do not require oxygen for respiration are known as anaerobic bacteria. Let us go to the next question. What is the next question? Algae are plant-like while protozoa are animal-like microorganisms. Explain. So this is the answer. I think I have already given it in the school app. So it's quite long to be read out. So please go through the school app and write down this answer for that question. Next, question number 3. Microscopic algae sustain life on earth. How? This is answer number 3. Microscopic algae contribute in sustaining life on earth. They produce food through photosynthesis since it has chlorophyll and add a huge amount of oxygen into the atmosphere. Next comes phytoplanktons live near the surface of water. Why? Phytoplanktons need chlorophyll to photosynthesize, thus they live on the surface of water. Answer number 5. Why do dry food items like biscuits not spoil easily? Dry food items like biscuits have very minimum moisture, which do not allow microorganisms to grow easily. Therefore, they do not get spoiled easily. Answer number 6. Pasteurization involves heating. Why? Heating kills maximum germs. Therefore, in order to make milk germ-free, pasteurization involves heating. Alright. Next, answer number 5. Okay, answer number 5. Go to question number 5. These are question number 5 questions. Sorry, these are not question number 5. These are question number 6 questions. Describe the different types of bacteria. So, question number 6, the answer is here. The different types of bacteria are heterotrophic bacteria. They depend on other living organisms for food. That is number A. Number B is autotrophic bacteria. They make their own food. Number C, chemosynthetic bacteria. These bacteria obtain energy from chemical reactions of inorganic substances. Number D, anaerobic bacteria. This type of bacteria do not require for respiration. Do not require oxygen for respiration. I'm sorry, I have missed the word oxygen. Please add the word oxygen. These type of bacteria do not require oxygen for respiration. Aerobic bacteria requires oxygen for respiration. Okay, question number 2. What is question number 2? Describe the nitrogen cycle with the help of a label diagram. Please check the school app, my dear children. I have given a proper diagram for the nitrogen cycle and it is properly labeled there. Okay, please check the school app. You will get the proper label diagram of the nitrogen cycle, which is better than the one given in your book. Please do that diagram. Okay, next come question number 3. List 3 diseases caused by microorganism. Explain the symptoms of any one disease. This is the answer. Alright, let me make it clear. This is the answer. See, question, list 3 diseases caused by microorganism. Explain the symptom of any one disease. This is the answer. Dysentery, malaria, typhoid are some diseases caused by microorganism. The symptoms of malaria are headache, fever, muscle pain, chills, fever and typical sweating. Recur every 1, 2 or 3 days if infection is not treated. There can be vomiting, coughing and even yellowing of skin. Alright. Next, explain pasteurization. Answer number 4. So, explain pasteurization. That question, that answer, you have to write this part of the book. Check. This is the paragraph, the pasteurization paragraph. You have to write it from the book. Okay. Pasteurization. Write a note on pasteurization. This is the answer. Write a note on pasteurization. See. Explain pasteurization, that you have to write. Next, you have to write a short note on food preservation. This is the answer. Preventing food from getting spoiled by adding preservatives or by adopting various measures are called food preservation. Some commonly used methods of food preservation are drying, refrigeration, boiling, salt and sugar concentration dipping, canning, pickling, etc. So I hope all of you are clear with whatever we have for lesson 8. These were the question and answers. I hope there is no doubt for anyone. So please write all the question answers clearly and keep your copies updated so that you don't have any difficulty during your exam. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.